When it comes to improving the value of your Bel Air home, window replacement is often one of the most impactful home improvements you can make. New windows not only enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home but also contribute to better energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to make it a more enjoyable place to live, replacing your old windows can offer a significant return on investment. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can boost your home's value in Bel Air, and why it's a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their property. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the first thing potential buyers or visitors will notice. Old, worn out, or outdated windows can detract from the overall look of your home, making it appear less inviting and well-maintained. On the other hand, installing modern, stylish windows can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers or simply improving how you feel about your own space. In Bel Air, where beautiful homes are abundant, having windows that complement your home's architectural style can make a big difference. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary windows, classic styles with intricate details, or energy-efficient options, new windows help elevate the overall aesthetic and charm of your home's exterior. This boost in curb appeal can lead to higher offers when selling and make your home stand out in the competitive real estate market. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key factor in determining the value of a home, particularly in areas like Bel Air, where both energy bills and home prices can be high. Outdated windows, especially single-pane models, allow air to escape or enter your home, leading to drafts and temperature fluctuations that can make your heating and cooling systems work harder. This not only impacts your comfort but also increases your energy costs. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options, such as double or triple pane windows with low E-glass coatings, can drastically reduce energy loss. These modern windows help regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping warm air inside during the winter and cool air in during the summer. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you'll lower your utility bills and make your home more appealing to potential buyers who are looking for sustainable, cost-effective solutions. Moreover, energy-efficient windows can help protect your home from the sun's harsh UV rays, which can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. This added benefit can be a strong selling point when buyers consider the long-term value of your home. Increased security and safety. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and new windows can improve the safety of your Bel Air property. Older windows may be difficult to secure properly, or their locks may be outdated or broken. In addition, old windows might be more vulnerable to break-ins, as they can be easier to tamper with or break. Modern windows are built with stronger frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced glass options that provide an added layer of security for your home. For Bel Air residents, where safety is an essential consideration, investing in high-quality windows can make your home more secure and provide peace of mind for you and your family. Furthermore, newer windows often come with better safety features, such as tempered glass that is less likely to shatter or cause injury in the event of an accident. This can be an important selling point for families with young children or elderly members. Noise reduction for greater comfort. Bel Air is a vibrant, dynamic community, but that can come with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to noise. Whether your home is near a busy street, commercial areas, or neighbors with frequent activity, unwanted noise can impact your comfort and quality of life. One of the benefits of new windows is their ability to reduce noise pollution. Many modern windows come with soundproofing features, such as multiple layers of glass or advanced sealing technologies, that help keep noise from entering your home. This is especially beneficial if you live in an area with higher levels of noise. By reducing external noise, new windows create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment, which can be a strong selling point for potential buyers who value tranquility. Lower maintenance and longevity. Older windows may require frequent maintenance, such as repairing drafty seals, replacing broken panes, or repainting wooden frames. As windows age, their functionality and appearance can deteriorate, which can be both time-consuming and costly to address. New windows are designed to be more durable and require less maintenance over time. Many modern window materials, like vinyl and fiberglass, are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading, and they don't need to be repainted regularly. With new windows, you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying the comfort and beauty of your home. Additionally, newer windows are built to last longer, offering you peace of mind that your investment will pay off for many years. This added durability can increase your home's value and appeal, especially to buyers who want a low-maintenance property. Higher resale value. When it comes time to sell your Bel Air home, replacing old windows with energy-efficient, stylish, and secure new windows can increase the resale value of your property. Homebuyers are always on the lookout for homes that are move-in ready and require minimal upgrades, and replacing outdated windows can make your home more attractive to these buyers. Homes with modern windows are also seen as more energy efficient and safer, two qualities that buyers often prioritize. In fact, window replacement has one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, of any home improvement project. By investing in window replacement, you're likely to see a significant increase in the value of your home, making it an excellent long-term investment. Conclusion. Replacing your windows in Bel Air can dramatically improve your home's value by enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, increasing security, and reducing noise. New windows not only provide a more comfortable living environment but also boost your home's marketability and resale value. Whether you plan to sell soon or want to enjoy the benefits for years to come, window replacement is a smart investment that pays off in both the short and long term. If you're ready to enhance your home's value and comfort, consider replacing your windows and enjoy the lasting benefits they bring.